Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. You can tap on clear browsing data and you will be able to perform really basic removal kind of. So I highly recommend to enter the history. Basically here we've got the list of previously visited websites. You can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button. However, let's focus on this option at the top, clear browsing data. Here we've got some basic options, so those three at the top will be removed with this previous option, which was localized just under the history. So you can remove then the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. You can change the time range. You can choose last hour, last 7 days, or even all time, up to you. Then let's tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed browsing data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.